kind of performance with a normal muffler. That's all to do with the straight pipe. So we're gonna stick this son of a bitch in fucking probably in, I don't know what that is there, probably B1. We got this big fucking thing behind it here. We're gonna just step it out of the way. Hey guys, how's she going today? Well, Amanda's off with the ton in the trailer. It has the gate part way open, but doesn't really matter because we're only going a half mile up the road. We are going to pick up the rest of our new cows. There's we brought what, 6 home, so there'll be 2 loads left over there anyways. And then we're gonna run them through the chute and tag them there, put our new tags in so that numbers make sense, and run them back here. These ones are they're gonna calve about the same time as our original group that we have here, other than the few early ones that have calved so far. Well, those are the ones that we bought last fall that we're supposed to calve in March. Now we have there's a few AI'd ones that are starting to show in there, end of March, beginning of April, those ones. So, and then all the rest are April. But Amanda's just turning and burning with the old 4-speed 1-ton there, and we'll talk to you when we get there. I guess I can show you this too. Here's our pasture where it ends at the end of our lane, and right there is the other 100 acres that we now have. Nice! Fuck, that's gonna work good. Anyway, talk to you in a few. Oh, there we go. That's the first 5. We fit more than that in the trailer, but it's a pain in the ass trying to get them to ram in there past each other. Fuck it, we're only going half a mile. 5 at a time's enough. Gives them a chance to get a few more organized back at his yard over there before we get back that way. So anyway, keep on keeping on. Right? Right.
Let's go. Hey! Come on! Hey! Let's go!
Come on!
Hey! Let's go! Come on! Zap that. Hunt.
Come on!
Let's go!
Well, maybe not quite big enough for her. The head gate. Nick, open the head gate a wee bit. There.
You're handy.
Let's go!
Watch out.
Like that, eh?
Maybe come over here, man, on this side in case you...
Let her go.
So, are we having fun yet? You having fun, Kevin?
Good riddance.
On! Hey! On, big cow! Lose the rope apart on that. Oh, dear. What do we have here?
So did you manage to get all of them in the other pen, man?
No.
Oh.
Well, you know what? You'd be stupid. You're gonna get caught in the hole. It's gonna just get fucking done.
Come on now, let's go. Let's go.
Sorry, girl. I should have gave you a little more room. Egg yet?
Come on, Holmes. Go, Ton, go.
Big house.
Crazy eyes. The crazy eyes. Oh boy. The boss isn't out.
Well, we got all the cows home. This guy hasn't ran since it was real cold there and we were pushing snow. But the lane is getting to be fuck of a mess and rough. So we're gonna give her a little grading here. Nice hot day out, so everything's nice and loose and fresh and what have you. Not frozen. I'll go and cut that, I guess. Better. It's not great, because I mean it's just a straight blade like this, but cut it to both sides of the middle and then I just back up, drag it out. I don't know, I think I've done an alright job anyways. A little bit that spilled over the edge. I have to walk along with a rake maybe tomorrow and pull it up, but whatever. Anyway, so late enough in the day here. Had another cow calve, so I'll go over and take a poo on all of that and make sure they're good, and then come, I don't know, be 1:30 here when we come out and check on them again here tonight, and then 5 in the morning again. So anyway, that's enough for tonight, so we will talk to all you guys tomorrow. Well, it's tomorrow, the next day. Another beautiful day. Had a couple cows calve, ones that we had brought home before the beginning of the video here, the first ones. So we never ran them through a chute to tag. We just brought them home because they were real close to calving. That way they were here. And now as they calve, bring them into the chute, but we reorganized things. We brought the chute and everything up in front of the barn now, instead of where we had it there in the that other little pen from where we were AIing them. But anyway, just gonna find where this little heifer went off to, and we're gonna tag her. But I think that's enough for this video, so probably where I'm gonna leave you. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. And winner of the contest to be announced here shortly, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.